Slightly different episode then. So, what I'm going to be trying to do is, as quickly as possible, change the radiator in this car. It's had a few leaks, been some coolant noticed underneath it. The only place it can be coming from is the radiator. It's late. It is currently 9:45 at night, and I want to get this done as quickly as possible. See, Matthew's in bed, it's just me, so let's get it on, let's get it done. We've got time-lapse camera set up with a clock, so you guys can see how long this actually takes. Hopefully not long. I want to go to bed. With the radiator fan out the way, we can actually see the radiator. Coolant was dripping onto the cross member at the bottom there, so that's what gave us the idea to change it anyway. But now we can see it, it's all a bit rusty and crusty at the bottom. Shouldn't take too long to get it out, smash a new one in. These are actually quite easy to do compared to some Peugeots. We have to take the whole front end off. I'm just hoping I don't have to do that with this one. Doesn't look too bad though. And there you have it, in about half an hour, radiator's out. Just got to fit the new one now and then refill it with coolant. Well, this could be good. So I've got the new radiator ready, I'm ready to install. We've got a water hose to connect there, hose there, hose there, and a small one there. And we'll see what we can get fitted up before we actually bolt it in. Fan controller. One in. Two in. Locked. Top hose. One at one end. One at the other end. Now we're going to release these death spring clips. Oh, I can only fold up these. Locked in such a way that they'll take your fingers off if you try and release them. Oh, there's one. Oh, sparks off that one. Yow. So that's it. Radiator's in. Coolant hose is reconnected. It's just time to fill it with water. How much of this am I going to throw on the floor tray? That was a bit of a mission. She didn't want to bleed out right. Didn't manage to get all the air out the way I wanted to. And I think we might have to revisit a few bits. But for now, there's water in it, up to the level. And I'm pretty sure it'll be okay for a good start up. So let's give it final few things back in, the airbox back in, and give it a go. So here we go, it's time to turn the key. It's an hour and 10 minutes since we started. It's not like it's not going to start. So she fires up sweet, no problems. But like I said, I've not done anything that would change that. So I think we're done. I'll give it a run, give it a road test, make sure it's bled through, make sure the heater works, make sure the fans work. But I think for this one, I think it's done. It's good night. I've had enough. I'm going to get cleaned up, go to bed. It's about 11 o'clock. And yeah, I'm done. It's been a long day, but thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. I did put some of this on an Instagram live feed, and if you join me on that, I'm really grateful. That was great fun. I might do that again, but yeah, that was good. Thanks. So there's some more content coming. There's a big video that I may have to split into two parts on the Triumph, which as you can see is buried in stuff, but it's actually really nearly close to being done. There's loads of work going on with that. There's another video in the works. There's so much going on. So hopefully we'll be back with you very soon. If you like this, there's a thumbs up. If you don't like it, there's a thumbs down. If you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want to know about it, you hit the bell. And if you don't. But thanks very much. Take care. See you again. Bye.